What's up, my bomb ass subscriber squad? What's up, y'all? Welcome. I am your girl, TonyaNicole, and welcome to my channel, loves. I hope before you leave, you would consider subscribing and being a part of my bomb ass family. Also, give this video a big thumbs up if you like this type of content from me. Today, we are tackling the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for December. I'm excited for you guys to see what I chose in here. So if y'all excited and y'all want to see, stay right there. Don't move. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hello, my loves. Welcome. As I said before, I am your hostess with the mostest, TonyaNicole, and welcome to my channel. Today we're tackling the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. I'm going to do some specs. We're going to do some shout outs, all that good stuff, and we're going to get to unboxing, okay? Before I go any further, I do not have a drink today, guys, but I hope you guys do, and I hope y'all taking a dance break and a drink break. I want to give a big shout out to my 5 first commenters from Friday's video. Thank you guys so much for rocking with your girl. I greatly appreciate you all. Now we're going to do some unboxing, y'all. So this one, guys, is the $25 per month beauty subscription from Ipsy. You're supposed to get 5 full-size products in here with a value of around $120. They do allow you to choose 3 personalized items. I think it occurs the 2nd of each month, so make sure you guys mark your calendars. And if you want to subscribe, there's a link down below. Just click it and go on and check it out, y'all. So without further ado, let's get this box, well, this bag, on and poppin', boo. All right, let's open her up, guys. Okay, everything fit in one bag this time. Okay. Oh, it's a little Santa sack. Oh, look at that. I love this red color. It's like a little plush bag. It's a Santa sack. Oh, wow. So we do get a card, but the card does not feature any of the products. So it says, home for the holidays is the theme for this month. The inside of the card is talking about hair and skin on here, giving you some tips, but we're not here for that. We're here for what's in this right here. So let's pull out our little sack. First thing I am choosing, I think is a choice item for me, I think. So this is the QMS Ace Vitamin Day and Night Cream. That's what it's looking like right there, my loves. I think I did choose this product. I know QMS is like very, very expensive. Ooh, this jar reminds me of the Elements jar I received in Boxy Premium, which I will link up here just in case you missed it. It's beautiful. You get in here, let's see, 50 milliliters of product, has a safety seal. Ooh, and it's like a little yellow tinted mousse. Smells very clean and fresh. Oh, I like that. So I did pick this, and I know it's very pricey, y'all. This retails for $140, like $140. The only thing about these types of products is once I use them up, I will not repurchase it because I'm not going to pay $140 for a product like this. But it's a 2-in-1 face cream that can be used both day and night to restore and regenerate all skin types. Is infused with vitamin C and E, which helps to protect the skin from UV-induced damage while brightening up your overall complexion. So I am excited to receive this, and it's $140. Next up is from Complex Culture. Now, they did choose this for me, and this is a full out brow gel right there. I do love Complex Culture. I purchased from Ipsy's add-ons last month a lip gloss or like something. I can't find it, but that thing is amazing. So I do love their products. Here is what the packaging, I don't want to blind you, is looking like right there. That's what the little wand looks like. Very small wand. You get, let me see, what is this? This is 0.1 ounce of product. It's a tinting, volumizing brow gel in the shade. It's in the shade Brunette. So I'm hoping that this will work for me. I haven't been using brow gels lately on my eyebrows because I'm trying to, I don't know what I'm trying to do, but I will definitely be incorporating this. I do love Complex Culture's products, so I'm excited for this. This retails for $18, my loves. Next up, we have a palette. And this is the Fireside eyeshadow palette from IBY Beauty. And this is an Ipsy exclusive, baby. I can tell you right now, I'm gonna like this palette. I can see from this back, I'm gonna like it if I can get it open. But IBY, I love some of their eyeshadows. I always get them in Ipsy, like those little single shadows, and they usually are pretty decent. Oh girl, we got a mirror. Hey boo. And this is what the palette looks like right here, my loves. The shades are Below Zero, Snow Bunny, Hot Cocoa, S'mores, Evergreens, Black Ice. Like, this is a pretty palette. I thought it would be a little more deep, like on here, but it's not like giving me the same type vibe. So I'm a little disappointed in that, because look at how vibrant the colors are here. I'm gonna swatch a couple of the shimmer shades, but I thought it would be like a little more deep. I don't know. That's what some of them look like on my fingers. These are 3 shimmers here, and that's the matte shade. They do swatch out nicely. I am happy to receive this. I just wish that it was a little bit more vibrant to match like the packaging and stuff, but this retails for $15, my loves. And then we have from Eyeko, and this is the Rock Out and Lash Out mascara right here. And I did choose this product because I don't think my choices were too good this month, if I can remember. I don't think it was too good, so I did end up choosing this mascara right here. And it's supposed to be a volumizing mascara. It has a unique guitar-shaped brush. I really don't want to open it because I have so many mascaras that I'm using right now. But if I can find a picture, I'll post it somewhere right here so you guys can see what the wand looks like. And this retails for $26, guys. Oh, we got 2 more products. Okay, so next up we have from Ciate, London, and this is the Eye Lustre Cream eyeshadow here, and this is in the shade Cupid. So I think this was a choice item for me. I think I had to choose this. Oh, but hold up. Oh, this is gorgeous. Look at that. Oh, wow. I love this. It's in the shade Cupid. Is it an eye product? Yes, it's an eyeshadow. I didn't smell anything. That's what the applicator looks like. And we're going to swatch it right. Ooh, wow. Let me spread it out a little more. Ooh, girl, look at that color. It's like gold with hints of pink and purple in it. I love it. That is gorgeous. I will definitely be using this. Ooh, girl, that is so pretty. Okay. I wasn't happy about choosing this product, but yeah, y'all see the different colors it's given? I like this. I just hope that it's like not this sheer, but I can build it up. I like this. This retails for $22, guys. And I actually think this is a nice shade for a lot of skin tones as well. Okay. And then last up, that's it. Yeah. So last up we got from Doucee, I think it's called. This is the Freematic Eyeshadow Pro Palette right here. So, oh, the packaging is very pretty. Nice, sleek black packaging. And when we open her up, oh, girl, she got a nice mirror. Hey, boo. All right, and let's take it and put it like this so you guys can see. So right here, it's like a shimmer highlight shade, and all of these are shadows. Right here, we have a nice black, a nice bronzy, like these colors are actually really pretty. They look really nice. So I'm gonna swatch a couple of them just to see. Oh, and they move in the pan, guys. So I guess you can take them out. Oh, you can. Okay, so you can take them out and switch them out, I guess, if you wanted to. I do like that little feature there. That's nice. And those are the swatches right there. Not too pigmented, but we'll see. Yes, I think I added this product on, guys. I don't remember. I think I had to add this one on. Yes, this was an add-on product. Sorry, guys. My mind is like blown. Okay, so yes, I did add this product on. I don't know how much it costs, but I'll let you guys know. So that was our final product in this month's Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. So let's do final thoughts. We're going to rate it and then we're going to be done. So we received from Complex Culture this brow tint. From Ciate, London, this beautiful eyeshadow here. From Eyeko, this mascara. IBY Beauty, this Fireside palette. And from QMS, this Day and Night Cream. So these 5 products are right here, my loves. The total for my box this month was $221. Final thoughts on this box was I thought the box was pretty decent. I was a bit disappointed in my choice items that I had to choose from this month, but I'm very pleasantly surprised by this product here. It is absolutely gorgeous. I cannot wait to use this on my eyes. So this actually was a winner in my book. The eyeshadow palette, although I do like the packaging, I do wish that the colors were just a little bit more deeper, but I think I can actually work with this. They are still very beautiful. So I am excited and happy about this. I am excited to use this brow tint as well as the QMS product and the mascara. So I think it was overall a pretty decent box. I think you did get your money's worth in this month's box. It was just that the choices weren't really too good for me this month. So I'm hoping Ipsy will step that up in the upcoming months. If I had to rate this box on a scale of 1 being this box is garbage, throw in the damn dumpster, to 5 being this box is the bomb.com, boo, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna give Ipsy Glam Plus for the month of December a whopping 3 to 3.5. I thought it was very makeup heavy, which I like, and I just thought the products could have been chosen a little bit better for moi. But other than that, I enjoyed the products, guys. So yes, let me know down in the comments below what you received in your Ipsy bag. Let me know if you enjoyed it. If not, I won't talk about it. So please subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already. Thumbs up on this video if this is what you like. Don't forget to check out my past videos, guys. I've been posting a lot of unboxings, some different boxes, and I want you guys to make sure you don't miss it. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter. All of those links are down below, as well as Ipsy's link. I will talk to you all in the comments and on my next video. I love you guys dearly.